How to find stories sharing options on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find stories sharing options on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines here in the top corner and go down into your find settings and then click stories, and now just click sharing options, and here you will find this one. Here you can turn it off or turn it on anything you want, and then just go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.